Okay, just a warning. This video is pretty much just me yapping and talking because it's more of a test video for me, because I've been having some audio issues for the last couple years, and I think I just fixed them, so I want to make sure everything works how it should, and I guess this channel's kind of been dead for a while, so here's a completely useless video. But a little bit of a backstory. So I think it's been 2 years at least, but if you've watched videos on my main channel, every so often you might see a video where the audio is super quiet. You can't hear me, you can't hear what's going on without turning your volume up pretty much to max. And it was sporadic. It wouldn't be every video I would upload. It would be sometimes it's like that, sometimes it's not. And I've never been able to figure out why this happened. And it doesn't make sense because I would edit the video, I would have the video, the edited video file, it sounds great, and then I upload it to YouTube and it's horrible. So I was like, why is it doing that? I'm not really that smart when it comes to video and audio editing. I kind of just do the bare minimum that I need, and I don't know much of anything else. Yeah, it's done that for a while, and here recently I made a system test video with this system, and the audio was like horrible, worse than normal, and I'm like, I got to figure out why it's doing that. Plus I got comments about it, which is a little embarrassing because I don't think anyone else has this problem. Used to in the past, I would kind of band-aid this problem by just turning up the volume extremely loud on my editing software, which sometimes would work, and other times the audio would sound distorted. But I recently did some research and kind of figured out what is going on. So apparently YouTube itself is turning down the audio on their end because my audio is that bad, and so that's why I never really caught it. So I figured out it was a combination of my editing software was kind of messing me up, and the shotgun microphone I use was also messing me up. So what I found out is my editing software is kind of weird. I've never messed with the audio settings. I just have left it at the default, but for some reason there must be a bug in the software that the default setting always changes. There's no like preset, I guess. So the default always changes. And I figured out you can make presets at a certain level, so I've done that, and I have a preset saved, so it will always be at that setting, if that makes sense. So there's problem one solved. Problem two, the shotgun mic I use has two settings. There's just your standard normal audio capture setting, and then it has another one which automatically filters out background noise or camera shakes, like sounds the camera might make with its setup or whatever. And I'm like, oh, that's a cool feature, so I've always turned it on, but I found out that kind of messes up some audio settings and a lot of editing software, so I'm not using that setting anymore. I'm just using the standard audio capture setting. And then again, the editing software, I now have a preset that will never change. So I'm pretty sure I've fixed the issue, but again, I'm just making this video to make sure that it's all working. So I have this system on. I'm going to pull the alarm because I want to make sure the horn sounds fine and me talking sounds fine. So yep, there's the key. Let's pull that. Wow, that's loud. I don't have any hearing protection. Kind of forgot about that. Okay, me talking, noise in the background, reset noise, whoops. And reset the panel. All right, cool. Well, that's about it. Thank you for attending my yap talk. And that's it. So hopefully I fix this audio problem because I hate it a lot. Goodbye.